For college students struggling with complex subjects and information retention, the Feynman Technique offers a revolutionary approach. Named after Nobel laureate Richard Feynman, this method focuses on deep understanding by simplifying knowledge and teaching it to others. Instead of merely memorizing, you learn to truly grasp and explain concepts. The Feynman Technique is a four-step process for mastering any topic. Feynman believed that if you can explain something simply, you truly understand it. The steps are: 1. Choose a concept to learn. 2. Teach it to a child. 3. Identify gaps in your knowledge. 4. Review and simplify until you can explain it clearly. Start by selecting the specific topic you want to understand, such as a mathematical theorem or scientific principle. Write down everything you know about it. This process helps externalize your current knowledge and spot what you already understand. Pretend you're teaching the concept to someone with no background knowledge, like a 10-year-old. Use simple words, analogies, and examples. Avoid jargon. This forces you to simplify and truly explain the topic in your own words. While explaining, you'll notice areas where your understanding is unclear or incomplete. These are your knowledge gaps. Note them carefully. This step honestly reveals what you need to improve. Go back to your sources and fill in the gaps you've identified. Relearn and clarify until you can explain everything, simply and confidently. Repeat the process until you can explain the concept without hesitation or reliance on complex terms. The Feynman Technique offers significant advantages: deeper understanding, better identification of knowledge gaps, improved retention, increased confidence, and enhanced communication skills. These benefits make it a powerful tool for college students. Transform your exam preparation by actively engaging with difficult concepts using the Feynman Technique. Choose a challenging topic, explain it on paper as if teaching a classmate, identify weaknesses, and refine your explanation until it flows smoothly. If you're struggling with photosynthesis, write photosynthesis at the top of a page. Explain how plants convert light into chemical energy, describe inputs and outputs, and draw diagrams. Identify unclear stages, research them, and refine your explanation until it's simple and complete. Use the Feynman Technique to prepare for presentations. Outline key points. Rehearse by explaining each in your own words, identify confusing parts or potential questions, and refine your delivery to ensure clarity and confidence. When presenting on inflation, start by defining it simply. Explain causes, effects, and government responses. As you rehearse, identify where explanations are unclear or questions may arise. Research and refine your answers, using visuals if helpful, until you can explain inflation clearly and confidently. Visual guides summarize the 4 steps of the Feynman Technique. Choose a concept, teach it, identify gaps, and refine your understanding. Sketches and diagrams can help illustrate and simplify complex ideas. Another way to frame the Feynman Technique: 1. Clarify what you want to learn. 2. Self-assess your current knowledge. 3. Acquire new information. 4. Document and clarify your new understanding. The Feynman Technique is a powerful approach that fosters real mastery. By teaching to learn, you move beyond memorization to deep understanding. Use the Feynman Technique for exams, presentations, or any challenging subject to accelerate your learning and develop lifelong skills.